Hello everyone. Now in the previous session we have talked about the basic of the revolve and the feature. Now I'm going to take one of the example. I will take one chair as an example in which I'm going to use mostly the sweep option. So you can see that where you will understand that at what various places you can use the sweep. Okay, so we will try to make it in a detail one. So let's start with the bottom part. I will draw a one rod first. This is a common road. Okay, and in this I also going to try to use some more plain features. So we will see in the video. Now this is we have a rod. Now with respect to this rod, I want to make some legs of the basically our chair. So I'm going to draw a sketch. First, I need to define the path. Here I have. Now I can use the slice option to go into that particular plane. Now here I can define a path. Okay, let make it the path will be something like this. Okay, let's go to this one. Okay, we have defined the path. I will make some little big chair. Okay. Now, here I need to define the cross section. Okay. As we talk about that our cross section should be placed perpendicular to that particular path. Okay. So now here I can have the option. I can take the middle of the plane and define. Or sometimes it happen means it is not you will not have some references from the principal planes. So how you can create your own path? Now you can see go to the construction. Here we have an option plane along path. Now click on that and select the endpoint of this. Okay, when I click on the endpoint of that, I have the one plane perpendicular to that. Now I'm selecting this one. Here I will define a circular cross section. Okay, little small from this base. Yes. Now finish the sketch. Now I have the path, I have the sketch. Now I will go to the sweep, select this profile. Then it asks for a path. Click on path, define the path. Now it will ask for that you want to join with the solid body. Now click on OK. So here I have this rod, one of the leg. I can also place some of the base part. Let make it little more more in detail. Let have some proper these legs with have proper rib or something. Let me take something like this. Extrude it. Okay. So these are the legs over there. Can I apply the fillet? Okay. Can I take one? Let me take it three. Yeah, three will be good. Now I have some support for these legs as well. Okay, you can create some more. Okay, now I need a multiple copies, so I will use the circular pattern. We'll select this feature. I need a copy of this. Press the control button and select each and every feature which you want. Now to ask for axis, select on axis. About which axis I want these multiple copies. About this axis, let make it the copy of 5. Click on OK. So now I have this, define this legs part over there. Okay. Yeah, it's look good. Fine. Here I can also apply the fillet to make it little smooth. Make it 3 or can we make it 5? Yes. Okay. Now here I will draw the top part of this where the person can sit. So can we make a gesture like, okay, some kind of suspension or something? Let me draw a bigger support at the bottom part, and let me extrude that, complete control and extrude it. Okay, now this will be work as a kind of a damper or something. Okay, I can use this just for the design purpose. Okay, now I will draw the top seat part from there. Let me take an example. Let me take the middle plane, go to the slice. Here I need to draw. I will project, press the P button. Can I draw? This is, we have a, we have some reference points here. Now I will draw the seat of that particular portion. So let me extend it start from there. Okay, I have made the base flat. Now after that, can I make it little inclined or something? Yes, so let's have a bigger one, little bigger one. Okay, little bump over there. Yes. Apply the fillet. Apply fillet over there and there. Make it 20 or make it 30. Fine. Again apply the fillet over this line and this one. Make it, let's make it 70. No, 70 will be bigger one. Let me make it 50. I think 40 will be considered like this. Okay. Okay. Now I have this. I will extend that at what extent I want. Okay. To make it. Okay. I want to define the thickness. What I will use? Can I use offset? Yes, I can use offset. Let apply the thickness of 8. Click on OK. Now close this sketch. Fine. So I have the basically the outer of the seat. Now I'm making just very maybe some off dimension, but I can also increase the length over there from there. Can I define the length? Okay. Currently is 33. If I make it 75, yeah, it will be way to change other dimensions. Okay. Something off here. Let me delete those and delete this one. Extend it manually to make it little big chair. Okay, or you can just delete both of them. Draw a straight line. Sometimes by using the line, it will automatically take some arc from their own. Okay, now it is fine. Let's make it 8. Okay, again, let's make it 8 and close this with that. Now finish the sketch. Here I have the seat. From the front portion also I can exceed. Can I do that? Yeah, I can go again, and I think with the help of stretching these one, because I did not apply any dimension here, so I can freely do that. Yeah, okay. Just to make it little good. Fine. I think we can go and start with the extrusion of that. Let make the seat in the symmetric. Yeah, looks fine. I think can we just little, yeah, I think that will be. So now we have the seat. Let me apply the fillet over there. Make it fillet of 20. Okay, that will little win. Can I make it 100? Yes, 100 will work. it okay. Apply the fillet on the another one, another edge. Make it 100. I think we will make it symmetric. Do the same at the bottom as well. Select this. I can select both of them and apply the fonts. Fine. Now, this is, we can say, chair. What we missed, if someone sit over there, we need some handle as well. Okay, now let's try to draw the handle also with the help of the sweep. Okay, to support the handle, first I will create some support here. Okay, with a reference to that, I will create two small circles. Let's make it of dia 6, and should be at the center, so we have it 4. Okay, that is fine. And another one support I can draw somewhere. Yes, I can draw it here. Yeah, fine. Now finish the sketch. Now extrude that. Extrude, extrude. I think the wrong faces are selected. Extrude. Only these circles are needs to be extruded. Earlier one was little something left. Okay, let make it 20 or something. This thickness handle, I think, make it 50. Yes. Now here I will draw a one handle path and try to use the sweep option. So in between of that, I want to create a path. Now another option we can use in the plane, which is called as a mid between plane. Select this surface, select this surface. I need a plane in between of that. Yeah, okay. Select this plane. Now apply the slice option. Now here I need to define the path for our handle. So can I define path? Okay, let me, I want to make it a smooth hand. So let me draw the handle. Okay, handle will be like this. Yeah, that will work. Using the scroll option, you can end it up somewhere inside of the circle. Fine. On the other end, can I do the same? Can I draw a arc like this? Yeah, with the help of the line, you can also draw some continuous arc that will draw a tangent line. But you can use some other option with the help of arc as well. Now, now let's move to the apply the path. Oh, sorry, the path is defined. Now apply the profile. What I will use, go to the constraint, plane along the path. Here I can select this point. Yes. And point of this, right. Click on OK. Now here I can define the path. Origin is there. When you will using some plane or something, it will show that the origin was there. So, okay, so I can use, okay, I want this will be like this. Okay, so this is, we have kind of a path. I think the path is completely inside of cylinder. Why it is inside of cylinder? Because when I sweep that, so it will be merged in these supports. So now let's move to the using the sweep option. Now select the profile. Where is my profile? Profile is something inside. Select this profile, select this path, and now make it join. Click on OK. Yeah, that will be like we have a good handle here. Can we do it on the other side as well? Yes, we can do with the help of a mirror option. So mirror option is where we have mirror option not in the create, we in the option in. Uh, can we find mirror? Where is mirror? let me see. Yeah, there is a mirror. Mirror option is whatever you have created. So in this, first you have to select those features. So it will ask for that what is feature. Okay, this is my feature. Press Control button. Feature number 2. Okay, both features are selected. Now select the mirror plane. So I will already draw it on the with respect to this mirror plane. I can select that. You can see the same will be visible to the other end. Yes, now it looks very good. Okay. Now this is one of the example, kind of a chair or something with handle I try to draw. You can also draw, you can apply some more fluid over there to make it more smooth or something. You can try some more, some kind of a variation by using the sweep. So this is the one example. I think we will move to the next video. Thank you very much for this time. Thank you.